Making fast decisions with varied data sources has not been a piece of cake, especially if one of those data sources is rich spatial or drone data. Now you can use a spatial meal kit of Hana spatial services to get this done quickly. Integrate weather, drone, and prediction models like wildfire prediction in a snap. Join me as I chat with Mark Mumi, SAP Data Chef, about this topic. Hey, so geospatial is such a big deal these days. We have all these drones everywhere, we've got sensors everywhere. Tell us a bit about what SAP is doing there.
So from a business perspective, from an application perspective, the geospatial data, the location-aware data, up until now really hasn't been taken advantage of too terribly much from a business perspective. And what we're doing and working towards is being able to integrate the business data along with geospatial data so that we can actually develop and derive location-based and location-aware aspects of all of our business data and business applications.
Yeah, location-aware applications, that's really cool stuff because now you're able to leverage all that data and mix and blend all that business data with this new geospatial data, right?
That's right, absolutely. We've got a lot of customers that are using drones and drone footage to capture images of, say, different agricultural fields, for instance, and use those drones to capture the images so that we can then interrogate the images, determine exactly what we're looking at, where it's located, and couple that with the business data that was used to, for instance, plant the crop that's in that particular field at a particular location.
Right, you're completing the picture basically, and you've got this geo database that people can work from, right, to kind of take the guesswork out.
Absolutely. So the underlying technology that SAP uses is SAP Hana. And so we can leverage our geospatial engine within Hana to be able to provide the geospatial utilities and toolkits directly in the application so that we're not having to develop it ourselves.
Yeah.
At the same time, the Hana engine has other assets, other engines within it to be able to do things like machine learning and predictive analytics.
Wow. That's very cool. And tell me a bit about some of these other chefs, the SAP Data Chef recipes.
Right, so the Data Chef program is actually a combination of a bunch of different recipes or, in essence, solutions that we have gone through various customers with. And so we've got customers that are doing a lot of big data work. So we have a recipe around big data, as well as around machine learning and predictive analytics. So there's quite a lot of recipes within our toolkit that we have at our disposal.
That's great. And last but not least, you mentioned big, like the big data warehouse. What's that all about?
So we've got recipes that allow our customers to couple not only business data, but non-business data to build systems that are hundreds of terabytes or petabytes in size, be able to have access to that information without having to rewrite applications or learn new technology, right? We're bundling it all as part of the Hana platform so that we have access to that information, no different than our business applications have access to business data.
I love it. Great stuff. Big data.
All
It's
right.
here at Geospatial.
Absolutely.
Thanks for your time.
Sure, thank you.